There are different types of hair transplant techniques, whether it's robotic or whether it's with a device that's handheld or a different type of device that's larger. I do think that doing it robotically with those ones that say robot is a little bit undesirable for some people, because most of the robots make you shave your entire head. And most people don't want to walk around, especially some men that are in the public eye, or women for sure don't want to be bald when they're getting their hair transplant done. So I do like our NeoGraft device, which is automated but does not require you to shave your head. And also there's handhelds, which are slower, nothing wrong with them. But again, even using our device, it is a full day, so I can't imagine doing it one by one with a handheld, which is slower.